Hey guys, welcome back. If you are here, chances are you have run into that annoying message. It says application made too many requests, error 0x80860010. Yes, it is frustrating, but do not worry because I have a few simple ways to fix it. First, let us break down what this error actually means. Basically, the app or program you are trying to use has pinged Microsoft servers too many times in a short period of time. That triggers what is called a rate limit, and as a result, you get blocked for a while. This can happen during app installations, Xbox sign-ins, or Windows Store downloads. Now let us jump into the fixes. Method 1 is to just wait. I know it sounds silly, but sometimes this is only a temporary rate limit. Waiting a few hours or even just 15 to 30 minutes can sometimes solve it. But if you are like me and do not want to wait, here is what else you can do. Fix 2 is to restart your router. Yes, unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in again. Why should you do this? Because it can reset your IP address. If the block was tied to your current IP, this might bypass it completely. Still no luck? Alright, then it is time to go a little deeper. Fix number 3 is to clear your Microsoft Store cache. To do this, press Windows plus R, then type wsreset.exe. Hit enter and let it run. It will open a black window for a few seconds and then it will restart the store. That one is super easy. Now, fix 4 is to use a VPN. Sometimes the issue is regional or IP specific. Turning on a VPN and switching your location might get you around the request block. You can try a free one if you do not already have a subscription just for testing. Fix number 5 is to check your system time and date. To do that, go to Settings, then to Time and Language. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Wrong time settings can mess up authentication with Microsoft servers. It is weird, but it does happen. If none of that worked, here is a more advanced fix. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run this command. Type netsh space int ip space reset. Make sure you are writing everything correctly. Hit enter and then restart your computer. This resets your network stack. It helps if something deep in the connection got corrupted. Alright, try these steps in order and one of them should do the trick. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if you have another fix I did not mention, drop it down below. It might help someone else. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. I drop easy tech fixes like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.